for dinner?
Burgers.
That was quick.
I like burgers.
Well, I have this fun cheeseburger slider recipe I could.
Sliders. So like a burger, but small.
Yeah, I guess you could think of it like that, but...
Then yes.
Five minutes. Did y'all pick a recipe yet?
Cheeseburger sliders it is for today.
I love burgers.
Me too. Wait, who are you?
I'm a video editor. Editing powers, activate!
Oh, it didn't work.
Hi, I'm Adelina,
And I'm Max.
and today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy, delicious cheeseburger sliders from the complete cookbook for teen chefs.
Available wherever you get your books.
These cheesy, onion-studded sliders are inspired by the ones made famous by White Castle, which has been slinging mini burgers since 1921. To give our sliders their iconic gooey cheese and pillowy buns, we'll be enlisting the power of steam.
Choo choo!
And to give us a taste test at the end, we have our editor extraordinaire, Annie, joining us today.
Wait, are you an adult?
Yes. Yes, I am.
So Annie, tell us about your experience with sliders.
So I'm from Providence, Rhode Island, and I went to school there as well. And there is this local place that does cheeseburger sliders, actually any kind of sliders. So my friends and I would always go for like events or anything like that, or like if we just needed to cheer ourselves up.
What do you like on your sliders?
I'm a big fan of pickles. I like the acidity. We could get the eggs small enough. I really like fried eggs on burgers. I'm really excited to taste what y'all make.
Thank you. Let's start with the burger sauce. In a medium bowl, we're going to whisk together mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, sugar, and distilled white vinegar. It's really good. I can really taste the relish, which gives it a nice like acidic flavor.
It's also a little sweet and salty.
I agree.
It's good, I like it.
On to the sliders. First, place the bottoms on a serving platter and spread 1 heaping teaspoon of burger sauce onto each. Next, stack your slices of cheese on a cutting board and cut them up into quarters. You should have 24 pieces. Separate the cheese into 12 stacks with 2 pieces in each stack, and then set them aside with the bun tops. Cut open the seams along the sides of a quart-sized zipper lock plastic bag, but leave the bottom seam intact. Divide your ground beef into 12 equal portions and place them on a rimmed baking sheet. Use your hands to roll each portion into a ball. Make sure to wash your hands after handling raw meat. Place 1 ball in the zipper lock bag and fold the top of the bag over the ball. Use a clear pie plate to press the ball into an even 4-inch circle, about a 1/4 inch thick. Remove the patty from the zipper lock bag and return it to the baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining beef, and then sprinkle your patties evenly with salt and pepper. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil into a 12-inch non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until just beginning to smoke, about 3 minutes. Transfer 6 of these patties to the skillet and sprinkle evenly with chopped onions. Press the onions firmly into the patties and then cook them without moving them for 2 minutes.
Why are we putting onions on top of the patties? Are there vampires nearby?
No, Max, that's garlic. You're mixing up your alliums again. After your patties have cooked for 2 minutes, reduce the heat to medium and use a clean spatula to carefully flip the patties. Top each patty with 2 slices of cheese and 1 bun top. Carefully pour 2 tablespoons of water into an empty spot in the skillet and cover. Remember, we're using the power of steam here, so just wait for the magic to happen. Once the burgers are cooked through and the cheese is melted, about 2 minutes, turn off the heat. I'm going to use my oven mitts to remove the lid and transfer the burgers to the bun bottoms. I'm going to ask Max to cover these with a large piece of aluminum foil to keep them warm as I finish up. Stop!
It looks so good.
We're almost done. Do the time wipe thing so we can get there faster.
What are you talking about?
Look, here it comes!
Did we just time travel?
Look at all these cheeseburger sliders.
Let's taste them.
They're really juicy on the inside and the bread is really soft.
I think the sauce on the bottom is good because The cheese is on the top, so you get both flavors and you can kind of taste they're a little bit distinct. Now let's bring Annie over to taste test.
Hi, y'all.
What do you think?
I really like get a hit of the cheese and the sauce. It cuts down the meat taste, which is great. Like it's a really great balance of like meat, burger, bun. Perfectly done.
Thank you. Well, that's all for today. If you like this recipe, check out the complete cookbook for teen chefs and like and subscribe for more videos like this.
And cut, that's a wrap.
Okay, let's get your mics. Let's
How
see,
do
I'll
you
yours.
do all those effects?
Oh, well, you see, it's a complicated system of some levers and pulleys, and that's how we do video editing.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I have this fun cheese,
sorry.
as Kihap would say, that's fire.
I would not be made a mockery of.
Anyway,